Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Bhutada, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, laser specialist and trichologist in India. I am also doing medical legal consultancy. I am the editor of 3 newspaper and also having the trust called Medical Cosmetology Society of India. Today in this video module of trichology and hair therapies, we will be talking on the alopecia. Alopecia, the causes of alopecia and types of alopecia. Alopecia is the general term used for the hair loss. Hair loss can occur from the scalp and the hair bearing part of the body, and this is the general term for hair loss. All hair loss comes under the alopecia. Now we'll see what are the causes of alopecia. The causes of alopecia are autoimmune disorders may cause alopecia, nutritional deficiency like iron deficiency results in alopecia, physical and psychological stress may lead to alopecia. In chemotherapies, there is drug-induced alopecia. In radiation therapies and other radiation exposure may cause the alopecia. In physical trauma of the scalp results to hair loss following childbirth or postpartum alopecia. Chemical breakage such as overprocessing or frequent use of chemical on the scalp hair may cause to alopecia. Chronic exposure to traction on hair shaft may lead to traction alopecia. Compulsive hair pulling, patient may have the compulsive hair pulling habit, and that may lead to trichotillomania and may cause alopecia. Hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism may result in alopecia. Fungal infections such as black dot, tinea or tinea capitis may cause the alopecia. Hereditary disorders of the hair shaft may lead to alopecia. Secondary syphilis can cause moth-eaten hair loss. Lichen planarialis and hypervitamin A hypervitaminosis. These are the all causes of alopecia. Now we will be dealing with what are the types of alopecia. In types of alopecia, it may be the pattern alopecia. Pattern alopecia are also called as the androgenetic alopecia or androgen dependent alopecia. This pattern or genetic alopecia, it is of two types: male pattern alopecia in males and female pattern alopecia or female pattern baldness in females. Then non-scarring alopecia or non-cicatricial alopecia, this comes alopecia areata, this comes telogen effluvium, this comes anogen effluvium. Third one is the trichotillomania, where the patient having habit of pulling the hairs. This is called trichotillomania. Many times patient pull the hairs and eat those hairs, and this condition may lead to trichobazar, having the tough hairs in the stomach. Then fourth one is the cicatricial alopecia. This is also called as scarring alopecia. In female pattern and male pattern alopecia are the androgen dependent alopecia. These all type of non-cicatricial, non-scarring alopecia are completely treated by proper treatment. Trichotillomania can be treated with the help of psychiatrist and trichologist. And for the cicatricial alopecia, where there is the scarring alopecia, and this is very difficult to treat, and this may require some proper procedures for the growing of treatment. So all this is about the alopecia, causes of alopecia and the types of alopecia. Thank you.